I just picked up this new tape 4-track recorder and it was cheap, and I'm realizing now why it was cheap. I'm thinking there's an issue with the record and playback function. So you can put a tape in. I've tried to mess with all the settings and record something. I'm getting VU levels here, so there's actually like it's picking up that there's sound coming in. And then I record and go to playback, and nothing plays back. I also have a tape that already has something on it that I put in here to play back. It was kind of making a chirpy sort of sound like it was trying to play something back but wasn't doing anything in the headphones. So I'm going to try and open it up and see if I can figure out what's going on here. Maybe clean everything out while I'm in there to see if I can get some better results. Well, looking inside here, kind of don't know what I'm looking for, to be honest. I did notice one little bit of damage here. I don't think that seems crucial, though. Just the corner of the board. I'm thinking there might be something wrong with the playhead. I don't know. I'm gonna keep looking, but this is what the inside looks like. I am opening everything up. I'm pretty much just taking a video so I can kind of remember what all connected to where. Because I'm sure once I try and put this back together, it's gonna be a bit of a puzzle. There's only really one visible sign of damage, which I think is the issue, which is this corner piece that has cracked off. And all those paths are now broken. So I think that's probably the issue. I also looked on the Tascam forums and got some help from a dude named Skywave TDR, who was super helpful. I thought that one of the issues was around all of this like goop that I thought was coming from this capacitor that was maybe leaking. But he said that's likely glue, so I'm not gonna really worry about that. And instead, I'm going to worry about trying to fix this corner. I'm gonna start by epoxying the piece back on. And once that dries, I'm gonna have to figure out how to resolder all of these paths, which is gonna be probably a nightmare. I'm just gonna run wire all the way around, in which case I probably could have skipped epoxying the piece back on altogether. But just to have some structural integrity on this corner, I figure it's smart. I'm gonna just shave away some of this solder mask to expose the wire underneath, just like that. And then I got this speaker wire, which seems like it should be plenty. Got my solder iron, this fine electrical solder that I have has flux built in, so I'll use this stuff. So just using a razor blade, I have carved away a little bit of the mask, and I'm gonna solder a little piece of wire around the screw hole. So I'm gonna try my first one here. I cut this tiny little piece of wire. I've never done this before, so I don't really know what the damn hell I'm doing, but we'll see what happens here, huh? All right. That looks pretty attached. We got one out of like 14 that I need to do. All right, I got the next one cut out. This is such delicate, fine-tuned work. Come on, stay there. Wire 2 connected to wire 2. Let's test the continuity on this and see if we're getting any connections between the two wires. When the leads aren't touching, there's no sound. When they touch, it shows us that there is continuity. These wires should be hopefully having continuity. Yep, good. And then this wire, good. Now we're checking to see if this wire and this wire are touching, which is what we don't want. Good, no continuity there. Good there. Okay, good. So those are separate. 1, 2, 3 is here. The view here. There's already a connection point here, so I might even just solder that. Voila. I don't have remarkably high hopes, to be honest. I can hear something. No way. It's working! Let me do a quick mic test here. Oh, routing. That goes there. Then I need this guy. Go here. Outputs.
Check.
Oh, yes.
Hi, there it is.
Whoa. Let's see if it works. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Checking the microphone. Does it work? Does it work? Does it work? I don't know. Okay. Moment of truth. Does it work? Does it work? I don't know. Hey.
Yeah. Hey.
Fixed it. Final update, it works. I did it somehow. I have a tape in here that I recorded on a different tape deck. So the pitch is different. This 4-track apparently records at a quicker speed than others, and it doesn't have like a speed toggle knob. It just says this pitch control. So everything that I recorded previously is really high pitched. But just to show you that it's working, here's a song that I recorded a little bit ago. And it is making sound. It wasn't doing that before. So I can either go higher or the lowest it can go is here, which just sounds kind of sick actually.
Send out for whiskey, baby. Send out for gin. Me and room service, honey. Me and room service, babe. Me and room service, well, we're living a life of sin.
It's got all the pan controls and stuff working.
When I'm not drinking, baby.
Everything's good. EQ's
When I'm
working.
not sleeping, honey. When I ain't sleeping, mama. When I ain't sleeping, well, you know you'll find me crying.
It works. I will call this a success. I'm probably going to try and record something with this new tape speed and see if it sounds any better. Let me know if y'all have other insight into maybe better soldering techniques or you know, just how to work on electronics a bit better. But hopefully, yeah, I've gotten some people excited to tear apart their old electronics and see if they can repair them. So, yeah, thanks for watching.
Living is a gamble, baby, and loving's much the same.